On guys, today is Thursday, July 28th. My name is Ahmed and I am back with another TA. So today we're going to show you exactly pretty much what I showed you guys yesterday, but it's playing out. This is going to be wonderful time for Bitcoin. Looks like we're going to head up to $26,000. We have not broken the top yet. We have not broken this liquidity level. Right now we are fighting it. We've broken out of all of our wedges. We've broken out of all of our other resistances. All we have left is this top area, this top liquidity zone. This will be a fantastic time to resist the price, bring it back down, trick people into longing above these areas, and forcing the price downwards. This is also a great time to accumulate all of these short trades, make everyone take a short, and send it higher. So it's really going to depend on where this pool of liquidity is sitting. It's going to depend on where the market maker and where these big corporations and banks want to send the price. I'm thinking they're going to want to send it up. I've been thinking this for about a month. It's really essential that at these prices, when we're this low, that the price cannot go lower. The price goes lower, it is very dangerous for the prices. It's very dangerous for corporations, for holders, for people who have big money inside of it. So the price needs to be sent up eventually. If it's not right now, it's going to be sent up eventually to claim that liquidity, to claim that capital, and to cover themselves when we're in a down market, when we're in a down economy, when the economy is flushed, when people can't afford things, when people can't afford houses. You're going to see people with big money buy all of that capital up. They're going to eat it up. If you think people at $17,000 to $20,000 at $17,000 to $20,000, people are not accumulating Bitcoin and trying to send the price up, you are extremely wrong. You guys are calling 10K. 10K will not happen immediately. 10K is not easy to get to. They're going to cover their capital. They're going to protect themselves. They're not going to let their self get hurt. When you're talking about the 2017 bull run, people holding from 2017, 2016 prices, you really think that people with big capital are going to let the price come down to $10,000? You are completely wrong. Completely wrong. Be careful. I've never seen so many people bearish in my life. This is going to wreck a lot of people. This is going to hurt a lot of people. I would like to go back and show you guys a little clip from what I posted yesterday. Now we're retesting it and failing. We want to reclaim this. If we reclaim this, that'll be very good for an upside move. It'll kind of confirm that we'll go higher. If we don't reclaim this and we come back down, and we try again and line and wants to blow down, blow off some steam and come down to 16, 17K, create a new low. I don't think that it's just gonna go boom and fall like that. That just doesn't happen. You need the money to flush. You need the money to recharge to be able to break through all of this. If you want to break down the buyers here, you need enough power to break down the buyers there. And the only way to do that is to get rid of the buyers here first. You get rid of the buyers here first, you must send the price upwards and then back downwards, creating a double top, creating this M, creating this momentum to slam it through this area. That is the only way, in my opinion, that we're coming back through and coming back down, is if we can gain momentum back up to go out. If we come down and we fall and we bounce here, in my opinion, you're going to see a very large upwards move, because it didn't give enough time for people to accumulate these cells and gain enough monetary power to push through this level. This level is going to be hard to push through without momentum. So if we come back up first and then slide down, we might have a very good chance of breaking this 18 to 19K zone. If not, hallelujah, will end up going up and we'll go flying out. So, okay. So that was yesterday. Today, we are right up here. We've broken out of the wedge. We're up into this liquidity zone. This is the 4-hour time frame. Looking super nice. The buying momentum just keeps coming in. It's liquidating the shit out of longs and shorts. People trying to long this at high leverage and take this up are getting wicked down, and taken out. People are leaving in losses, which isn't good for anyone that's taking longs and losing this, because the price is moving up and is pushing up. So I do suggest, if you're taking any trades, be very cautious. Only trade resistances, only sell supports, and yeah, be very careful. Right now, we're gonna keep a close watch on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking super good. If I go over here and flip to the daily candle, these are all daily levels. Right now, we're holding above the daily top, which is going to be $23,391, so 23.4K. We're busted above this right now. So today, in the next 7 hours, 8 o'clock EST, if we can land above This 23,300 will probably use it as support and end up going up. This looks very, very, very good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is making a new high on the daily. Bitcoin is fighting for a new high on the 4-hour. Once we claim this on the 4-hour, we have some of our biggest candles playing bullish. So we have some of our biggest candles playing bullish. You're going to see large amounts of money enter. You're going to see large amounts of people remove their limit orders for their shorts and their sells. You're going to see people try to take the price up. You're going to see momentum up, okay? So be very, very careful with this. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update and let you guys know where I think the price is going. We've passed in these liquidity levels here, and we're at the last liquidity level here. We have done everything that we need to do to push price upwards. All we have to do is finish this last step and confirm it. Once we get above this right here, we will probably send ourselves right up into this 26K, 28K zone, and it will be very, very, very bad for anybody thinking we are coming down. This is the only problem with this. When we come up here, you're going to accumulate a lot of sellers here, right? And we're going to bring this back down, and we're going to try to hold this, correct? And we're going to try to come back up. The only issue is you guys need to be very, very careful with this market, because this market is a bear market and we are downtrending. This market also has a lot of upside momentum. This is not going to be exact. I don't feel like really like pulling from the exact. But if I go ahead and draw this trend down, this would take us right here to this 28,000 points. So if we can send this here, we can get up here to this 28,000 area. If we break this resistance, that's going to be very, very hot for Bitcoin. It's going to allow a lot of people to enter and probably trick them back down into a low. Okay, I do not think that we are fully bottomed out. I think that this could be the bottom price. I think that at a later date, we will come back down and test these areas, the 16, 17K area, 18K area, and then head up for the next bull run. That was going to take about probably a year from now to happen. But we'll talk about that at a later date. Right now, we're really just focused on seeing Bitcoin break this liquidity zone, send us to 26K. If not, we're going to see the next couple of days price struggle, price sell, and get stuck down. If we could do that, we'll catch a short somewhere around 23.4, 23.3 on this retest on the inside of on this inside of the wedge, and we'll take it back down and try to bust out all of these buys down here, trying to grab a new low price, trying to acquire more spot, trying to acquire more longs at these lower prices to send the price back into this range and try to take profits at the 20K area. Thank you guys so much for listening today. I wanted to keep this as short as possible, but get the most information I can. Right now it's 12:49 p.m. I'm located in the New York time zone. It is Thursday, July 28th. Be careful trading, guys. We're moving into a weekend tomorrow. Thursday is a very, very heavy day. Wednesday, a very heavy day. So expect some movement to happen today in the next 8 hours. This daily close is going to be very, very important. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.